I have the Nothing Phone 3A here, and today I'll be putting the device through a PCMark benchmark called Work 3.0 Performance. This will put the phone through 5 different collections of tasks, from web browsing all the way to data manipulation. PCMark is a free app from the Google Play Store, so I recommend that you download it right now so that we can both test each of our devices at the same time. And I'll have that download link to this app linked in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment so that it's easy for everyone to find. Have you downloaded the PCMark app yet? Are you ready to run the Work 3.0 benchmark? Let's go ahead and tap on that run button right now. And we're just going to let these benchmarks run until we get to the end screen.
And you can see our phone 3A from nothing was able to achieve an overall score of 12,109. And here we have our individual scores. For comparison, the RedMagic 10 Pro is able to earn an overall score of 26,579 in my personal testing here on the channel. But you have to remember that that phone has the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and some really fast storage. So with this being a much more affordable mid-range device, it makes sense to see such a large difference between the two. As you can see, the Nothing Phone 3A is not going to be breaking any records when it comes to performance. But as always, I think it's a good idea to see how your phone compares to the competition that's out there, especially if you're in the market to buy another phone or if you have just picked one up recently. But I'm curious to see what type of score your phone was able to get with your testing. So please use the comment section down below to share your benchmark results and the phone that you used to run that benchmark. And if you could, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as well for more Android benchmark videos like this.